Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PDS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame, it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some areas of support, then we can talk resistance. The first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. And if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up there above 235. Now don't get me wrong, if the price falls below 235, I'm not saying the entire chart is destroyed or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that area, that would definitely be a great sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. This right here being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what's being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 235 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. Now, what about levels of resistance? Where are the sellers seemingly hanging out at? As far as battlegrounds, near term, right up there about $2.50. I realize the price did get up above there, but I think the main point of price congestion, as far as where the majority of the data points are located, is right up around 250. If the price can get up through 250, then yeah, the next key level is going to be right up around 255. But in my mind, I think the quote unquote truer level of resistance, if you will, is more so right up at $2.50. All in all, though, at the end of the day, what actually matters the most is what the chart has already been doing, and that is this right here. As long as the price keeps on chipping away and building higher bases, or if you want to picture these as stair steps, but as long as the higher lows continue to be built, then over time, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So nice movement today. Let's see if the bulls can chip away and build yet another higher low. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.